Let me know down below if you guys received this. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In tonight's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my July IPSY Glam Bag. It is this super cute beachy striped bag with a blue zipper and these adorable little sunglasses for a charm. It is lined on the inside with the blue. For June, their theme is passport to play, vacation mode on. Whether you're jet setting or staying put, your routine just got a summer upgrade. I literally love that. I've been traveling all summer and we're finally home until Violet starts school, so let's just get right into it. First thing is this little Dolce & Gabbana light blue fragrance sample. Literally such a classic scent. Definitely reminds me of my teenagehood. It's Sicilian lemon, frangipani, amber woods. Very, very familiar. Everyone loves that fragrance. Classic. Okay, next in here, this is the Bella Pierre Precious 24 karat, I think it's a vitamin C caffeine brightening booster serum. Next, oh, this is the product I chose. This is the Touch Up Pinku Lip Balm. Next, this is the Lily Fawn Cleanser. It's like a liquid. It says gentle sugar base to lather away makeup dirt and oils. Love that. And last in this little bag, this is the Real Her Every Shade Is You eyeshadow palette. Ooh, interesting. Interesting color story. Definitely is like all tones of the beach. Have this like silver white and then like a silver blue, a bronze, peachy, browns. Ooh, this one actually, I thought it was blue, but it's got this like mermaid green reflect. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but yeah, that's just like a moon dust silver. Cute. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial with this. Leave me like a mermaid emoji and I'll do like a little mermaid look with this palette. Alright, you guys, that is what was in my July IPSY original or the IPSY Glam Bag. Let me know down below if you guys received this, if you liked it. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching.